Lilly is saying that that there was some lower sales, I think, of one of their drugs, also higher marketing and higher R&D for COVID research. Was that is this today a disappointment about the trial not working on the antibody, or Sel, was this a fairly significant miss on the top and bottom lines for Lilly?
Good morning. Thanks for having me. Despite all these expectations, we still anticipate a solid quarter for Eli Lilly with strong results. We expect an 18% increase year-on-year in the third quarter EPS and a top-line revenue of $6 billion, which points out to an 8-9% year-on-year growth. Essentially, that's correct. R&D expenses will be higher due to COVID research, particularly on the monoclonal antibody. But we have a long-term perspective at CFRA, and we think Eli Lilly has definitely a solid long-term growth story. It has a diversified portfolio of strong brands, particularly when you think about Trulicity and Jardiance. It has a solid focus on innovation, has good new launches. It made a recent acquisition of Design Therapeutics, so we clearly see the focus on innovation. And it has a really solid balance sheet, which is really important in the current environment. So essentially, yes, there was a setback about the monoclonal antibody, and we hope to hear more about the issue today at the Analyst call. But those halts are common, as we've seen with J&J, which was able to quickly resolve it, and with AstraZeneca. And we think it's a good approach, and the company is taking precautions. So essentially, we're very positive about antibody treatments, and we think it's something that Eli Lilly should be able to resolve.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.